Parang maliligo lang sa hotel, ah.
First time na nangyari para sa Pilipinas Got Talent na ganito kalaking setup. Hindi to simpleng outdoor.
No.
Meron pang special construction para sa inyo.
Okay.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Hello?
Hello po.
Anong name ng group nyo?
We are the Rosen Racing Crow Sirens po.
Ilan taon lang yung pinakamaliit?
11 po.
Tapos yung pinaka-ate is how old?
22 po.
Ay, wow, babata. Okay.
Oo. Pwede magtanong lang, ano yung nasa buhok nyo parang hot oil?
Actually, gelatin po siya para kumapit po yung buhok, hindi po siya sumabog.
Okay. Oh, good luck, girls.
Thank you po.
Something new, something different. PGT4.
Can't swim, so I took a boat to an island so remote. Only Johnny Depp has ever been to it before. Stayed there till the air was clear. I was born and
I do that in my sleep.
on the shore. I offered you my coat. That goddess love can't flow. Crazy how that shipwreck meant my ship was coming in. We talked till the sun went down. Love on the Puget Sound. My treasure map was on your skin. Beauty in the water, angel on the beach, ocean's daughter. I thought love was out of reach till I got her. Had I known it could come true, I would have wished it like it too. You're a mermaid just like you.
Alam mo, friendship, tuwing nanonood ako ng ganyan, hindi ko nakikita yung ilalim eh. Usually, di ba, parating sa ibabaw. Sa ngayon natutuwa ako kasi parang mga isdang tao yung pinapanood ko, parang nasa aquarium.
Kayo ba nakipag-compete na sa ibang bansa?
Opo.
Saan?
From 2007 po, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, China, and recently lang po, Australia.
Wow!
Ganun na katagal nyo ginagawa yan?
6 years, 5 years, 3 years. 1 year po.
Wow.
Ah, talaga? 1 year ka pa lang, baby girl. Grabe, ang galing na niya. Oh. Ano ang dream nyo?
Gusto po namin makapag-Olympics po. Laban po sa Olympics.
Okay, so botohan na. Ako, syempre, PGT4 na to, and I think isa kayo sa unang-unang nagpakita ng ganyan. Kaya ako, yes na yes.
Nakakatuwa kasi parang we showed something extraordinary on land. Ngayon, nasa tubig na tayo. Kulang na lang air, no?
Oo. Siguro, may tatalon dyan sa building pag buhay, yes. Pagpatay, no.
Pero ako talagang this is something Filipinos can eventually excel at talaga. Because we're very flexible, magagaling na dancers. And of course, sign naman ng pagiging islands natin, di ba? Kung hindi natin
Oo,
gagawin
dami
ito.
nating dagat,
Correct.
friendship.
Kaya ako, yes na yes na yes!
Ako rin, yes na yes na yes.
Buti nagustuhan din nila.
Oo.
Yeah.
Grabe.